In this video, I'm going to show you how I made over $25,000 with one affiliate product. Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made over $25,000 with just one product using these simple duplicatable traffic methods, and how you can get hold of these funnels and email sequences that I have used to make over $25,000 with this one product. If you want to skip all that right now, there's a link down in the comments which will take you to the affiliate sign up page, so you can get all of my done for you sales funnels, my email sequences, and everything else that I've used to make so much money with this program. You'll get access to all of my swipes, all of my done for you training, all of my coaching, and I'll even set up a one-on-one 30-minute Skype call with you to boost yourself and get you set up and get you everything that you need. So everything is down in the description, so just click on that link if you want to get started. Now, if we get into the good stuff, here we go. You're going to jump on my computer and I'm going to show you exactly what I've been promoting and a little bit about the tool. So you're on my computer now, and you can see the tool that I've been promoting is Builderall. Now, Builderall, you may think that you know everything about Builderall, but Builderall has gone through a huge update in the last couple of months, and they're adding an awesome new tool in the next few weeks called the Builderall Canvas. And the Builderall Canvas is going to be able to add all the funnels, all the email sequences, the chat bots, and everything together on a one big canvas, just like Funnelytics. So it's going to be like Funnelytics layout, but it's actually going to have the functionality so you can connect things together and trigger things in what if do this kind of scenarios. So it's going to be an awesome tool. I don't know any other software company that is doing this right now, but that is going to be an absolute game changer. I know as soon as I show this, as soon as it's ready for everyone, that people are going to jump on this. So you really want to get in to see the launch of the canvas. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So a few of the things that Builderall does is Builderall allows you to build websites, blogs, mobile apps, allows you to send emails. You've got an unlimited email autoresponder where you can send out unlimited emails to unlimited contacts. You've got to have your list checked before you import it to stop spam, because they had a little bit of issues with deliverability in the past, but that's all sorted now. The deliverability rates are up and it's hitting inbox consistently, and I'm getting some good open rates, good click-through rates with Mailing Boss now, whereas a year ago it was really bad. I'm not going to lie, it was terrible a year ago, but it's much better now. It's getting consistent email inboxes, and I'm getting consistent clicks as well. So Mailing Boss is probably the big main thing of Builderall that people want to use, because if you were to go to Aweber or GetResponse, you would be paying hundreds, and in some cases thousands per month for having unlimited subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, say. And with Builderall, it's all included in the $49.99, the $49.90, sorry. So that's a huge one, as well as having your own hosting, being able to host blogs, websites, e-com stores, and everything in between. You can see how this is such a powerful tool, and it's so underpriced. Seriously, it should be like 10 times more for what they're giving away. You've also got design, you can do videos, you've got browser notifications, SEO, click maps, chat reviews, auto post, chatbot, e-learning, script generator, social proof, Builderall Zap, video wrapper, Instagram autoresponder. I didn't even know they had an Instagram autoresponder. That's like the first time I've even seen that right now. So yeah, we've got the webinar, and there's just so many other things as well. And it's just an awesome product to promote. Like, it literally sells itself. So I want to come into the Builderall business, is where you'll be spending most of your time if you're promoting as an affiliate. So if we come into here, you can see my earnings, and in earnings, I've got over 25,000 paid and another 700 odd to actually be paid out. So there's your proof of what I've earned so far. And it really is just a amazing platform to offer, and so many people are going for it right now, and it's still in the early stages, so not everyone knows about it right now. Wix, our main competitor, get 40,000 new users every single day, and recent statistic shows that 300,000 people every single day come online and start searching for a money-making opportunity. So that's 300,000 possibilities of affiliates you've got to sign up, and that's 40,000 possible users to build website who want to build websites and stuff like that. So you've got a huge market and a huge potential every single day. If you can tap into just a minute percentage of a percent of that, you're going to be laughing and you're going to be making lots and lots of money. So I urge you to really jump on this, get on this early while the going is still good. Other programs which have been around 10, 15 years, you won't do so well with them because they're more established, they've got more competition, they've got tens of, and sometimes hundreds of thousands of people promoting. This is still in its beginning stages, so you've got much more chance to succeed. So on top of this, one thing I did forget to mention is the marketplace. Now, the marketplace is a place just like an affiliate network, so you can put your own products on there and recruit affiliates. You can just put products on the marketplace for other Builderall users to buy, or everything in between. It's one whole place where you can just mass market your products and recruit affiliates for it, and it's really, really cool. Plus, they've got hundreds of tutorials across all of the tools, so you can be sure that people aren't going to get lost. They're not going to get confused, because all the step-by-step training and tutorials and 24-hour support is on hand to help anyone who can't get their heads around the training or tutorials. They've got an earnings calculator here because Builderall has a unique two-tier affiliate system. So what that means is basically, if you sell a license to someone, you get 100% for the first month, and then you get 30% recurring. But what the two-tier system does is you get 30% on whoever your sign up as well. So say you bring Joe in, and then Joe brings Bill in, you'll get 30% off Bill as well, and anyone else that Joe brings in. So it's a leveraged affiliate system, and it's why you can earn so much money. So let's say, for example, you bring in one person per week. That's not very hard if you think about it. One person per week. So that's 52, obviously. So you get 52 licenses in 1 year. You immediately get 2,218, and you get 665. This is in euros because I'm in Britain. In dollars, it's more. So now that's what you get from what you've sold yourself, right? Now, how many people will you get to work as an affiliate? If you're recruiting affiliates, you want to recruit affiliates. Say all of them become an affiliate. So you've got all of them as an affiliate, and how many sales do you think they can? Say they sell one every 2 weeks, for example. So we put that down to 26. So we put that down to 26, and boom, your monthly income explodes to 18,000 euros a month. And that's literally, you've only referred 52 people. And each one of those 52 people have referred one person every 2 weeks, which is not very hard. Boom, you're earning 17,966 euros and 29 cents per month. Per month. That's crazy. So can you see the power of the leveraged affiliate system? So if it was only a single tier and you brought in 52 people, you're only going to get 665 a month. But you bring in 52 people and they bring in 2 a month, boom, your income explodes. This is really where you start making the money, is when you get your 2-tier affiliates helping you. And this is why I share everything with my team. I don't hold anything back, because when you guys make money, I make money. So I share all of my affiliate sequences, all of my funnels, everything that I've done. And as an added bonus, for the first 10 people that sign up under my link, I'm going to send you $70 worth of solo ad clicks. If you look here, one of the websites, and this is, so you can see now that I actually use Builderall and use it for stuff that I promote and stuff that I do. So we come into my sites here, and you can see one of my websites, builderallsoloads.com. And this is where I sell my solo ads. So you can see built in Builderall, everything in Builderall working perfectly. So you sign up with me, I'm going to send you 100 new business opportunity clicks, 100% tier 1, 0 bot guarantee, and you get a traffic and report and statistics at the end of it. So this is also already a discounted price for Builderall users. Usually they're more than this. So I'm going to send you $70 worth of clicks just for signing up with my link. So not only are you going to get my proven sales funnels, my proven templates, my email sequences, everything that I use and have used to make over $25,000 with Builderall, you're also going to get $70 worth of clicks sent to you. That's like more than the whole business account. The business account costs you $50 for the first month, and you're getting $70 worth of clicks sent to one of your funnels straight away. On top of that, I have a full email sequence inside of Mailing Boss, which I can literally copy over to you. All you need to do is reach out to me, give me the email that you signed up with, and I can stick it in Mailing Boss and I can send it over to you. And what's even more impressive is using the auto tag funnels and the auto tag feature, I can just tell you to change and add a couple of auto tags, put your affiliate links in there, and it will auto update all the emails. So you don't need to go in and edit each email with your name, with your affiliate links and stuff like that. You literally just, I'll show you exactly what I mean quickly. So we come into Mailing Boss here, and then we come into, I think, campaigns. Yeah, campaigns, custom tags. Then we add, see, they've got name here. So you would add CCT name, or just name it as the CCT automatically, sorry. You put your name in, and then any email with that tag will automatically change to your name. So I create new, I come in and I put affiliate 1, and then you type in your unique affiliate link, hit save, and come back to your tags. You see the tag's been updated. So now anywhere that has that affiliate 1 in any of your emails, it's going to automatically update with your link. So I've got 60 or 70 emails, which you would have to go in. Most other autoresponders, most other programs, you'd have to go in, you'd have to edit each one, you'd have to edit the from name, you'd have to edit your affiliate links and everything else like that. The way I've set it up and the way that I've done this and the way that Builderall does it, you just add a few tags, it changes your name across all 60 plus emails, it changes your affiliate link. There's different products and stuff in there. You just need to add like 5 different affiliate links. They've all got a different tag name, and it updates all of the emails. Boom, ready to be sent out. I cannot make it any easier for you, seriously. So yeah, I love this feature. This is absolutely amazing. It makes it so easy for me, makes it so easy for my team just to grab stuff off me and just roll with it. They don't have to do hardly any setup whatsoever. I love it. So yeah, if you want to take advantage of that, take advantage of all my funnels, cha-ching, making money, awesome. So yeah, you want to take advantage of my funnels, my email sequences and everything else, and the $70 solo ads that I'm going to be sending you when you join my team. Just click the link in the description, sign up now, and get promoting. Cannot wait to work with you. Cannot wait to see you on my team. It's going to be awesome. Let's crush it together and make some money together. Yes.